Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today I'm with my lovely wife, Amy, who's going to help me unbox and review this product today. Today we're going to be looking at the K-Sang. It's a blackhead removal face mask with a nice applicator tool and removal tool as well. The link to this will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, do your shopping from there. They did send me this product review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own today. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna look at it and then she's gonna apply it on my nose and we're gonna remove a lot of my blackheads. So now let's go ahead, let's look at the packaging right here. Looks really nice, got their brand on it and it says it's the Black Mask Deep Cleaning right there. And they have a note on the side, if you have sensitive skin, it's highly suggested to apply some to a small amount of skin behind your ears and see if you have any sort of allergy symptoms or redness, itchy skin after 24 hours, just to be safe and not have any risk. We're gonna forego that and live dangerously and just put it straight on my nose. Again, this is a peel-off mask that's charcoal activated. That's what they advertise on Amazon. Here is what we get in the box. So again, a nice 2.11 ounces right there, 60 grams to use. You could cover your whole face. It's recommended to put it on and wait 10 to 15 minutes to achieve better results. So we'll go ahead, we're gonna put it on for probably about 10 minutes and then we'll peel it off and see if we get some blackheads out. Sound good?
Sound good. Well, maybe let's talk about this a little bit too. What's this part for?
Go for it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, so we have right here a nice silicone brush, whatever you want to call it right there, to be able to apply this to your face, but also I'm thinking it might help you maybe remove it as well. So a nice little applicator tool right here. So now let's go ahead and put some on. So we got it opened up. Now we're going to go ahead and apply it to my face. Once we open it up, it is already starting to ooze out. So just be sure that you're prepared for that when you have it open.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. So the T-zone in your face is, oh no.
What's it feel like? Pretty gooey?
Yeah, like any other kind of moisturizer. The T-zone in your face is right here, forehead and all the way down. This area tends to get really clogged with blackheads. So that is often what is going to be targeted for these kind of masks. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but we're just going to go for it.
Then I'll have to face the camera when you're done. Feels nice. It feels nice and cool on my nose.
You look really silly.
It's comfortable.
Like it. All right. I'm just going to pretend like this is a pore strip and kind of going to do
you should.
What a pore strip looks like. We have done pore strips before, even on David.
And you can see the pictures on the Amazon link below to show you. They have a couple models that are wearing it on their whole face if you want to buy this to do your whole face and not just the top and the sides of your nose. So we got it on my nose right now. Everything feels great. It's really comfortable, nice and cool. I'm sure it looks super ridiculous, but you're not going to be doing this on camera. You'll be doing this at home in the comfort of your own bathroom and privacy. So now we're going to wait about 10 minutes, come back here and peel it off. We're back here now. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm ready for my lovely wife, Amy, to help me peel this off. It's definitely dried on my nose. I can feel it. It's being a little tight to me. And now it's just ready to see if we got some blackheads.
All right, here we go. I can tell it's drier, right?
And let me pause for a sec. So let's see. Maybe that can help you see it a little bit closer up. You can peel it.
Now I don't think it is completely dry because it's not. Oh, that was good on that side. Does that hurt?
It hurt a little bit, but not bad at all. So obviously, if it's not wanting to peel all the way, there's probably still some wet. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so I can definitely see there's a lot
of blackheads.
Yeah, and maybe some hairs too. That happens too when you do pore strips. It just takes out a little bit of your hair.
So maybe you can hold it up to the camera right here. There's a camera right there.
Okay.
Maybe we can see. I don't know. It's going to be really hard since it's black that you can see all the little blackheads in there.
There's definitely stuff.
Yeah, I can see it. I'll look at that.
Yeah, and I can look at your pores and see that there are more pores that look open, which is great. Now I think we probably next time would wait a little bit longer just because like this part I think I did a little bit thicker and wasn't totally dry. which could be interesting. I don't really know how that's gonna.
Probably just gotta let it dry.
Yeah.
But you might want to wait closer to that 15-minute mark like they say on the box. We're seeing some great results already. Like she said, it opened up my pores. Again, you have this nice applicator brush right here at that silicone tip. So if you want to do your full face, you can do that a lot easier than just trying to rub it in with your finger. So we're really impressed with it. The link to this product will be in the video description below. Be sure to go ahead and check it out. Other than that, feel free to follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message me on WeChat. Go ahead, hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel. I can't do this without you guys being here and interacting with my content. So thank you in advance for following me. I have new content coming out daily, and I want you guys to be a part of it, so stay tuned for that. Be sure to check out my website as well. You can join my free newsletter, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.
Bye.